Want to know what's the best assembly kit that money can buy for a great budget? Keep on watching. Hey guys, this is SKC Hobbies. I'm here to do a really quick first impression of what I think about the Enduro Trail Truck Builder's Kit. Now, right off the box, it simply comes as a bare builder's kit. It doesn't come in a body, so there is no body, there is no bumpers, there's no wheels and tires, there is no electronics. So what I like about this kit is that the steering link on this truck is behind the differential, which will cost you less binding. Second, the servo mount right here, it's all ready for a winch. Another thing I like about this truck that I could actually say is that the shocks on this truck is buttery smooth, that is made with aluminum. The gearbox on this truck, you could actually do both ways. You can mount it forward or reverse. And lastly, this is the only truck out there that is already equipped with an overdrive gears. What I dislike about this kit is that first off the box, you notice that the chassis was very flimsy. You can easily twist it. However, you can replace a few parts on this truck that would make it very durable, which I went ahead and did. And I will go ahead and link it on the bottom of my screen, which are the following parts that I replaced on this truck itself to make it as sturdy as possible. It made a huge difference. For example, I went ahead and replaced the mount of the shocks, the dual servo mount with a hard plastic mount, as well as the transmission mount. Element RC offers this, so I'll go ahead and link it on the bottom of the screen below. Another con that I would say a con, but it could also be not a con for other people, is that this kit comes with a straight axle. For me, it's not so much of a con just because it will lower the center of gravity of the truck. And for the electronics, I decided to add the following. I'll go ahead and link it on the bottom of my screens on what I decided to add on this kit. But I decided to go with Tekin. I went ahead and added the RX4 ESC, the T360 Servo. I also used the 3100 kV rock motor. And for now, I'm using the 5000 milliamp 3S LiPo. Now, in regards of the receiver and transmitter, I decided to go with the GT5 Flysky. The reason being is I heard a lot of good reviews about this transmitter. Not only it is cheap, it functions really well. Now, for the winch, I decided to add the RC four-wheel drive, and I went ahead and installed the winch controller made by RC 4-wheel drive. Now, for the front and rear bumpers, I decided to go the cheap route. I went ahead and purchased these metal bumpers from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link it on the bottom of my screen below. And for the wheels and tires, I decided to go with the 1.9 bead lock wheels. And of course, with the tires, you can't go wrong with Proline. I decided to use the Hyrax Predator compound along with the dual staged foam. Now, in regards to the body, I went ahead and used Proline G12.3 body for this kit. I hope this video was helpful, guys. So if you'd like to see a running video against my fully modified TRX4, please like my channel, subscribe, so that way you'll get a notification every time I upload new videos. Bye!